Hello traders, welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info, the promising swing trade on Wednesday, September the 2nd. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. Alrighty, and we will start our video today with a look at the bullish engulfing chart pattern. The bullish engulfing chart pattern. Our first stock symbol is MOS, Mosaic Company, agricultural chemicals company. First thing to note is that stochastics are in the oversold area. They are flatline. Looks like they're going to curl up, but they haven't made that curl yet. But definitely in the oversold area like we like them. Nice thing that we like about this bullish engulfing chart pattern is that you'll notice the engulfing candle and the preceding candle forming right on that 50-day moving average. That's your blue line. So a candlestick signal with support, stochastics in the oversold, all of those factors increasing the probability that our candlestick signal and pattern is going to work well the next day, and this one is setting up that way. MOS with a nice looking bullish engulfing, again with stochastics in the right place and the signal forming on the 50-day moving average. Same with AMKR. Now, stochastics are not in the oversold area, but they are under the 50 and have plenty of room to run to the upside. And you'll notice with AMKR, first part of July, had a nice move up, about a $2 move up, some pull back, and then yesterday the bearish candle touched on the 50-day moving average. Today we looks like open right on the 50-day moving average, your blue line, and our high of the day got above the 20-day moving average, your gray line. So again, stochastics have not curled up; they are still under. So you want to keep an eye on that. The other thing with this bullish engulfing signal here is, even though it's a nice looking bullish engulfing forming on the 50-day moving average, it is below the 8 exponential, that's your dashed line, and it is below the 20-day moving average, with several previous days touching on that 20 and falling back. So what we want to see here is a higher open tomorrow. Get above that 8 EMA. Keep an eye on it because we don't want to see it hit the 20 and pull back and fall back down. So keep an eye on it around that 20-day moving average. If we can get through that, should have a little bit more clear sailing. But anyway, AMKR with one of our bullish engulfing signals. All right, the kind of the same thing with our bullish Harami signal here. The bullish Harami, which you'll remember is a small bullish candle, kind of an inside trading day, if you will, inside a previous bearish day's candle. Harami in the Japanese language, Japanese candlesticks back when they were formed back in the rice trading days meant pregnant woman. So if you'll notice, the today's candle almost looks like the baby of yesterday's female. But anyway, nice looking bullish Harami forming on support of the 200-day moving average. This is BHI, Baker Hughes, which had a big drop yesterday after their big purchase takeover of, what was it, BJ's, I believe. But anyway, Harami pattern forming there. It is on 200-day support. Stochastics are still headed down, as they should be, if you'll notice the move here. But look at that Harami. I want to see positive confirmation, positive open tomorrow, but a bullish Harami there for BHI. And one of the others we featured on the website was FDO, Family Dollar Stores. Again, same thing, the harami forming on support. You have all your moving averages, well, not all, but your 20-day and your 50-day moving average and your 8 EMA all right there together. If the harami can reverse this 3-day downtrend, find support on those moving averages and move up, they will take advantage of that bullish harami FDO. And finally on the video, a look at a couple of the bullish kickers. OPK, huge volume today for OPK. Getting the kicker signal there. It's had a nice steady uptrend. Also with a kicker is BEXP. BEXP. Again, huge volume. Now, the one thing about this kicker, we don't normally pay attention to stochastics with the kicker symbol, but the stochastics here, just right at the oversold area, curling up and have crossed over. And if you'll look, early to mid part of July, this after a couple of hammers, this took off for a nice steady uptrend. We've had just a slight pullback and some consolidation. Then with the big kicker signal today, could almost be envisioned as a J-hook pattern. So if you'll take this move here from just to under 276, just round it off and say 275, all the way up to 750. What is that? About not quite a $5 move. Add that $5 to where we are today. That move right here, after this pullback and little hook, is what we can expect here after this bullish kicker today. So very nice looking for BEXP. Alrighty, folks, that's going to do it for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video, compliments of bull stock info. We have a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns on our website each and every trading day, so visit www.bullstock.info and follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/bullstock. Thanks for watching.